Meta just handed the keys to its entire ad platform over to AI agents. No engineering team required. If you run Facebook or Instagram ads, this week changes how you're going to do it.
Welcome to Market Intel. I'm Lonnie Rodriguez, Marketing Director at Queued Up Agency.
And I'm Maya Chen. Quick disclosure before we get going. Lonnie's voice you're hearing is an AI voice clone, and I'm a synthetic AI co-host. We say that every week because it matters. Everything you're about to hear is AI narrated, but the research and analysis behind it is real.
Appreciate you saying that plainly, Maya. Let's get into this week.
3 stories today. First, Meta opened its ad system to any AI app that wants to plug in. Campaign creation, reporting, the works.
Second, HubSpot pushed its AI prospecting agent out to every paid customer, not just the big budget tiers.
And third, Canva quietly turned its design tool into something that can build actual interactive web experiences. No developer required.
Let's start with the big one. On July 16th, Meta opened its Ads Model Context Protocol Server, that's MCP, to any developer holding a Meta app. That means outside AI tools can now connect directly into Meta's advertising system without anyone writing custom integration code.
And this isn't a read-only connection. PPC Land reported the server is write-capable. Campaign creation, ad set and ad editing, custom audience management, catalog and product set management, spend and ROAS queries, signal diagnostics, A/B tests, even conversion lift studies.
So in practice, an AI agent could pull your account's performance, spot a problem, and draft the fix, all without you opening Ads Manager.
For a lean 5-person marketing team, this is a workflow story, not a developer story. Right now, you're bouncing between reporting exports, Ads Manager tabs, and a spreadsheet of notes. Meta's making the case that an AI assistant could eventually do that bouncing for you.
And the barrier to entry just dropped. PPC Land's framing was literally cutting integration code to 0. That's meaningful for agencies like ours that don't have a dedicated engineering team sitting around building custom API connections.
A few limits worth naming. If you're an agency managing ad accounts for clients, which, hi, that's us, you need app review and advanced access for a specific permission before you can use this on someone else's business. It's not one click yet.
And because it's write-capable, you need approval gates. Nobody should let an agent touch budgets or live campaigns without a human checking the work first. Meta's also still rolling out tools to the server gradually, so full functionality isn't here on day one. Our read. Meta is turning Ads Manager into an agent-accessible operating system. The move we'd recommend isn't handing an agent budget authority right away. It's starting with red-heavy work. Weekly performance summaries, signal health checks, catalog diagnostics, test plan drafts. Let a human approve before anything goes live.
If Meta ads are part of your acquisition mix, this is the moment to start testing AI-assisted reporting and diagnostics, carefully and with a person still holding the approval button. Okay, what's next?
Story 2. HubSpot's July update wave pushed its AI layer, Breeze, into the CRM email composer, global search, mobile meeting prep, and collaborative projects. But the headline change is that Prospecting Agent, which used to require a Sales Hub subscription, is now available on Starter, Professional, or Enterprise. No Sales Hub needed.
That's a real unlock. Ivy Lead reported that opens AI-assisted prospecting to marketing, customer success, and ops teams, not just sales reps, with the premium tier.
HubSpot also added signals like key stakeholder identified and pain point mention. The AI reads deal conversations and turns emails, notes, and call transcripts into structured CRM data you can actually build workflows and segments around.
For a small team without a dedicated ops specialist, that's the appeal. Inline email drafting, mobile meeting briefings, custom buyer intent signals, workflow actions across every record type. It's less AI writes your emails, and more, your CRM becomes a coworker.
Here's the catch. Access isn't readiness. Ivy Lead put it well. AI will surface a messy process faster. It won't fix it for you. If your CRM ownership and routing rules are unclear today, turning on an agent just makes the mess more visible.
And it's metered. Prospecting work runs on HubSpot credits, so Imisofts is recommending small teams set budget caps before their first run. This isn't free, unlimited prospecting. It's pay per use, and costs can sprawl if nobody's watching. Our recommendation? Pick one narrowly defined workflow. Something like identify stalled demo prospects and draft a 3-email re-engagement sequence. And measure meetings booked per credit, not emails generated. That's the number that actually tells you if it's working.
If you're already in HubSpot below the Sales Hub tier, this is newly available to you. Start with one workflow, set a credit budget, and judge it on outcomes, not activity. Okay, next.
Story number 3, the sleeper. Keep an eye on this one. Canva released Code 2.0, an update that generates sites and apps from text prompts, but keeps everything rooted in your existing Canva brand kits, templates, and campaign assets.
eMarketer reported you can build genuinely interactive things, games, quizzes, puzzles, campaign microsites, and still edit the visual output right inside the Canva editor you already know.
This is the story we think lean teams will feel first. If you're already living in Canva for social graphics and decks, Code 2.0 gives you a path to interactive lead magnets and high.d campaign microsites without waiting on developer bandwidth.
eMarketer's framing was vibe-coded web experiences, which is a fun phrase. But the real substance is that small and mid-sized brands can now build polished interactive assets that used to require an engineering handoff.
Vibe Coded is doing a lot of work in that headline. Before you treat any of this as a production web asset, you still need to test performance, mobile behavior, accessibility, form integrations, and SEO. Brand consistent doesn't automatically mean production ready.
And a tool that makes it easy to spin up campaign experiences can also leave you with a pile of unmaintained ones. Assign an owner and an expiration date to anything you build with this. Our take. This isn't a website replacement. It's a fast campaign experience layer. Take one high-performing PDF or checklist you already have, rebuild it as a Canva Code prototype, and compare completion rate and lead quality against the static version.
Keep an eye on this one. It's early, but it's the clearest no developer needed story of the week. Okay, quick hits.
5 more things worth knowing about.
1. OneSignal is pushing its AI and MCP server toward autonomous lifecycle marketing, letting assistants like Claude and ChatGPT draft re-engagement journeys with safeguards like no delete actions.
2. Klaviyo launched social marketing tools that pull organic social data into its customer database to help schedule posts and draft copy.
3. Cision added AI search visibility tracking to Cision 1, and Profound launched Fact Check to catch hallucinated brand details in AI model outputs.
4. Salesforce introduced Agentforce Coworker, which can find disengaged accounts, summarize touchpoints, and draft a re-engagement sequence automatically. Still in beta.
And 5, Omneky launched a public API and MCP server, so outside AI tools can request optimized ad copy and imagery directly from its platform. And as always, if any of these caught your ear, the links are waiting for you in the show notes.
So, to wrap things up, Meta opened its ad platform to AI agents. HubSpot brought AI prospecting to every paid tier, and Canva quietly became a no-code app builder.
The pattern this week: the marketing stack itself is becoming agent operable. Not AI helps you write things. AI actually doing bounded work inside the tools you already use.
Our advice stays the same as always. Pick one workflow, define the human approval gate, and test small before you scale it.
Next week, we're watching how agencies start using that Meta MCP access, and whether Canva Code shows up in real campaigns instead of demos.
If this show is useful to you, subscribe so you don't miss it. New episode every Wednesday.
This is Market Intel. Stay informed, not overwhelmed.